Here are the luckiest people caught on camera. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel. This dad saved his baby and got off the train tracks just in time. This guy decided to dive into the ocean where a dead whale is surrounded by several sharks. He is lucky he didn't get hurt as he managed to climb on the top of the carcass. This floating excavator capsizes in the river. The operator managed to escape it first, but the excavator rolled over and this happened. What a lucky day for him.
Ne kalacaksın? Çabuk!
Üstüne çık, üstüne çık, üstüne çık.
Hayır!
A baseball bat flew into the crowd. A man saved everyone as he caught the bat with one hand without spilling his beer. Persistence is the key to success, just as this lady demonstrates. But do you think that is a real gold bar? A frisbee player was able to throw a pizza from one house into another house's microwave. This lucky lady found her dog alive after a devastating tornado during a live TV interview.
And I never lost consciousness, and I hollered for my little dog, and he didn't answer or didn't come, so I know he's in here somewhere.
The dog. The dog. Hi, puppy. The dog.
Oh, Velzy. Oh, Velzy, bless your little bitty heart. Help me.
Help Megan.
Oh. Well, I thought God just answered one prayer to let me be okay. He answered both of them.
An iceberg had fallen off into the water, resulting in huge waves to come right at them. Good thing it stopped just a few meters short.
Are you alright? Amma.
Managed to keep going after his boat did a perfect backflip. Don't know if luck or pure skills. A guy's phone falls off during a group motorcycle ride. Lucky for him, this happened. Luck works in mysterious ways. Maybe this guy poured out his entire lifetime supply of luck during a Fall Guys game.
That was me. I don't know what's happening.
Where
What
are
the
you?
fuck? Oh my
Whoa.
god. Oh my god.
What,
Is that real?
what just happened?
I don't know.
Where did you?
These kinds of clips makes us doubt whether some people are more blessed than the rest. A cop coincidentally catches a shoplifter after he came out through the back door of the shop. Lucky for the shop owner, but definitely not for the thief.
back. Come here. Stop it. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stop. 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 Transfer in the back.
I guess these guys are lucky that this bear just ignored them and minded its own business. If you look closely at the bottom, you can see a person barely escape the falling tower. A lucky break for the guy, but his survival chances would have been greater if he just ran sideways. During a rally, this bystander was inches from disaster when he decided to step outside the racing line. Our drone narrowly misses a skier when it crashed into a slope just centimeters behind him.
1:08, Dritter muss er werden, dann übernimmt er wieder die Führung.
Das hat er gescheit
insgesamt.
gemacht.
Da ist die Drohne! Die Drohne knallt da fast auf ihn.
You need the heart of a daredevil to even think about attempting this stunt, plus some very impressive bicycle skills. A very surreal video of a man parachuting onto a moving ship's helipad. I guess one needed incredible skills and a bit of luck to pull this off.
I'm good. It's okay. Gracias, amigos.
This may be the smoothest tennis shot you will ever see. People who are scared of heights or surfing down a steep mountain at top speed, consider yourself warned before watching this clip. A reporter made a half-court shot while doing a live TV report. Even the news crew couldn't believe what they just witnessed. I don't know if he is lucky or just stupid, maybe both. This is a science experiment gone right. Even NASA would be proud of this launch, and the landing is perfection too. This guy was lucky to be able to get traction after flipping over several times. A very lucky day for this guy when he managed to barely avoid a massive avalanche. A simple party stunt turned into an impressive video that this guy will be bragging about for the rest of his life. The amount of risk and driving skill required to pull this off is astronomical. Our driver in Russia forgot to pull the handbrake of his truck and it started rolling toward a brand new Porsche. Lucky for him, he succeeded in stopping it using his bare hands. Did this man just set a world record? Don't even want to imagine all the extra work if he had dropped the whole stack onto the others. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give us a like if you enjoyed this video and also subscribe to our channel.